As a frisky teenager at your debutante ball, there were probably a few things you couldn't wait to grab. These days, you just want to get your hands on your super. Well, your date back then may have been better looking than me, but at least I can show you how to get hold of your super. This video explains how much super you can access once you attain the all-important preservation age, including how to find out what your specific preservation age is, the different ways that you can access your super, plus I'll also explain when tax on super withdrawals will and won't be taxable. G'day, I'm Strano, the founder of SUPERGUY, the place where Australians go to maximise their super and build their own retirement plan. If you're finding value in my videos, show your support by clicking the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's get into showing you how much super you can withdraw. Okay, so you've reached your superannuation preservation age and you want to know how much super you can withdraw. And just so we're on the same page, your superannuation preservation age is generally the first time that you can become eligible to access your super. Your preservation age is based on your month and year of birth, as detailed in this table. If you have reached your preservation age, then congratulations, you can access your super in some form or another. But how much can you access? Well, if you have reached your preservation age and are continuing to work, you can usually only access your super in the form of a transition to retirement income stream, otherwise known as a transition to retirement pension or TTR pension. In practice, the way that this works is that you would use some or all of your superaccumulation balance to start a TTR pension, which is a brand new account. Now, many people will leave a small portion of their balance in the accumulation account so that any insurances within the account will not be cancelled, and also so that future employer contributions or even personal contributions can continue to be made into the account. The account isn't closed. A TTR pension allows you to receive an income of between 4% and 10% of your TTR pension balance each financial year. So, for example, if you started the TTR pension with $500,000, you can receive an income in the first year of between $20,000 and $50,000 inclusive. You might decide to use this income to supplement your work-related income if you, say, reduce to part-time work, or you might use the additional income to repay debt, or start a TTR strategy to reduce tax, or a recontribution strategy to minimise potential death benefits tax. There's plenty of reasons why you might start a TTR pension. You do need to be mindful that, though, if you receive TTR pension income under age 60, the taxable portion will be taxed at your individual tax rate, just like a wage would. However, you do receive a 15% tax offset for the contributions tax already paid on the taxable portion of the income. If you are age 60 or over, TTR pension income will be received tax-free. So that's the first way that you can access your super, a TTR pension with income between 4% and 10% of your account balance. The second way you can access your super and allows you to withdraw much more is if you satisfy the superannuation definition of retirement. And there's two ways that you can satisfy this definition. Either you have reached your preservation age and are retired permanently with no intention of returning to full-time or part-time work ever again, or you had an employment arrangement come to an end on or after age 60. If either of these two conditions are met, you are said to have met a full superannuation condition of release, which provides you with unrestricted access to your super. Therefore, you can withdraw as much as you like, and this can be withdrawn as either a lump sum directly from your superaccumulation account or by commencing an account-based pension. If you are aged 60 or over, lump sum withdrawals and pension payments will be received tax-free. If you're under age 60, there may be tax on pension payments or lump sum withdrawals. So first, pension payments. Pension payments under age 60 will be taxed in the same manner as TTR pension income. The tax-free portion of the payment will be received tax-free, and the taxable portion will be taxed at your marginal tax rate minus a 15% tax offset. For lump sums, if you are under age 60, the taxable component portion of the lump sum withdrawal will be received tax-free up to the lifetime low rate cap, which is $235,000 for the 2023-24 financial year. This is an indexed lifetime cap, not an annual cap, so be mindful of that. And the tax-free component portion of the lump sum withdrawal is received tax-free. It does not count towards the lifetime low rate cap. If your balance includes the uncommon untaxed component, 15% tax will be deducted from this portion up to the untaxed plan cap of 1.705 million and then 45% for amounts over that. As always, you should consult your accountant regarding tax on any withdrawals from super prior to making the withdrawal. And that's about it. So in summary, if you have reached your preservation age and are still working, you can access between 4% and 10% by converting your super to a TTR pension. But if you have reached your preservation age and have met one of the retirement conditions of release, you can access your total super balance. Don't spend it all at once and stay super. Click that thumbs up button if you found this video valuable and let me know what you'd like to see more of. For even more superannuation tips, head over to superguy.com.au and sign up for my newsletter. It's free and filled with valuable content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.